In primetime news this evening, where are they? Hundreds of missing children still a major worry. Opposition MP says sorry for homophobic slur aimed at JLP MP. And Attorney General's office studying ruling in Keith Clark case amidst ongoing states of emergency.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Vashon Brown has our preview.
Thank you so much, Janella. So you might want to go to the gas station tonight. Pump prices are to rise for a second straight week, taking gasoline to a 2.5-month high. I'll tell you the exact level of increase later on in the business day.
All right, thanks, Vashon. From Vashon, we go to Jeremy at the sports desk for what's coming up in sports. Jeremy.
All right, thanks, Herman. Do you remember the last time Jamaica was at the FIFA World Cup for men?
20-something years ago, 98.
Yeah, 98, right over 20 years ago. Well, at least one CONCACAF official believes the new format for the next set of World Cup qualifiers could benefit the Reggae Boys and other Caribbean countries to get to the World Cup. We'll tell you more when we come back.
Fingers crossed. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what is your reaction to Mark Golding's apology to Alanda Terrelong for disparaging comments made on the political platform?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.